Hello everyone, how are you? Well, today I am back with an interesting topic. That is 7 facts about the Bihar you would be surprised to know, right? What I mean to say that we will see some of the interesting facts about the Bihar that all of us should know, right? तो बिल्कुल एक वॉच तो बनता है. Well friends, are you excited about it? What are the things that come to your mind when you hear the word Bihar? Certainly poverty, illiteracy, backwardness. Well, this article is all set to change your schema which you possess right now. Unknown to many, Bihar is one of the oldest living places in the world and was one of the greatest kingdoms in the history. Today it is popular as a poor state, but do you know Bihar is one of the few places in India where one can learn in detail about the rich history of India. It is one place where you can trace the age-old legends of the country and acknowledge why India was called the Golden Bird. Soon after you are done with this article, you will never look at the Bihar the way you look at it right now. So let's move on to and get ready to be stumped by these astonishing facts about the Bihar. The birthplace of Jainism and Buddhism. Yes, Bihar is the only place in the world where two of the most popular religions on the planet, the Buddhism and the Jainism, took birth and prospered. Did you know that the Bihar is also the place where the concept of non-violence originated? Yes, it all happened under the leadership of Lord Buddha and Lord Mahavira, the founder of Buddhism and Jainism respectively. Thousands of years ago, unfortunately, the people could never understand the benefits of non-violence and they are still against each other. Located in the Kaimur district at a distance of about 210 km from Patna, Mundeshwari Devi, the temple is said to be the oldest functional Hindu temple in the country. The temple is dedicated to Goddess Shakti and Lord Shiva and is frequented by thousands of tourists and Hindu devotees every year. As per historical records, it was established in the early 2nd century. However, it is also believed to have been in existence from the periods before the Common Era. As per local legends, it is must visit site in Bihar for every history lover. The next one was a significant center during the Vedic period. If you are not well acquainted with the history of the Bihar, then you would be surprised to know that Bihar was one of the significant centers of the trade and politics in the world. It was during the Vedic period and later when Bihar was considered as one of the most powerful kingdom on the planet. The major regions of the Bihar which find their mention in several ancient texts were Magadha, the Mithila and the Anga. All these kingdoms flourished for centuries. The next fact, the land of IS officers. Yes, Bihar is a land of IS officers. Today it is a well-known fact that Bihar is an IS factory. Yes, the state which is often termed as the land of illiterate people is also responsible for producing the most number of IS officers in the history of the country. Hence, it wouldn't be wrong to call the Biharis a group of hardworking and diligent peoples. The lip smacking cuisines. Another thing for which the Bihar should be known amongst everyone is its delicious cuisine. Such a popularity of litti chokha, which is combined dish of mashed potatoes and duck ball stuffed with sattu that every tourist and travelers visiting Bihar is bound to taste its lip-smacking flavor. Other dishes for which this historic state is known include ghugni, ruska, pitha and kadiwadi. So every food lover out there, add Bihar to your bucket list and visit it as soon as possible. It houses the oldest university, located at a distance of about 95 km from Patna. The ancient University of Nalanda is said to be the oldest university in the world. However, the exact evidence to prove its age has still not been found. As per the records, the university was founded in the 5th century and flourished for over 600 years until it was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji, a general of Mumluk dynasty during the invasion. The university was immensely popular for its grand library, which housed lakhs of books and documents on different subjects. It is said that the people from all over the world used to come to Nalanda to gain knowledge. And the last one, every history enthusiast's dream destination. As Bihar is one of the oldest living places in the world, you can find thousands of historical sites within its boundaries, from stupas to forts and ancient temples to the places. It houses everything that can satisfy the needs of a history lover. The major historical places here include Mahabodhi Temple, Barabar Caves, Tomb of Sirsa Suri, Nalanda, and Vikramshila Museum. So this is all in this video, friend. I hope you have enjoyed your journey through this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.